Let me show you how we can use our iPhone 17e as a webcam. In the case of Mac, it is really simple. All you have to do is you want to make sure that the continuity is enabled. So if you go to settings and then proceed to general, then over here we should be able to go to AirPlay, and continuity. And then over here we have the continuity camera, which of course must be enabled if you want to smoothly use your iPhone 17e's camera as a webcam. Over here we can read that we can use our iPhone as a webcam for your Mac when both devices are near each other. So in order to ensure that you can use the camera from iPhone 17e on your Mac, you probably just make sure that the phone is close to your Mac, and in video sources you should be able to choose your iPhone 17e. In the case of Windows, whether it is laptop or PC, of course, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because we need to use a third-party app that allows us to use the phone as a webcam. Of course, there are many third-party apps that allow you to do so, but in this case I'm gonna use Arian. So I'm gonna search for the app, there we go. And I'm gonna show you how to set up the phone as a webcam with the help of this app over here. But of course, in case you want to try something else, then completely feel free to do so. I actually recommend you to try different apps as well, because you might find something that you like more. Now, in order to use this, of course, this app, you also need to get a similar one on your Windows. So you want to go to arian.com and you should be able to get the app for Windows. You can also get it for Mac in case for some reason you want to use that app as well, then you can actually do so. It's pretty simple. And then once you get the app, once you install it, you should be able to open it. And then over here, now the app is waiting for the connection. We want to make sure that the app is running on our mobile phone as well. So of course, we're gonna open it in a second on our iPhone, and also the phone and this PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So this is also quite crucial. We need to make sure that both devices use the same Wi-Fi connection. All right, so now on our iPhone, we're gonna go ahead and open the app. We're gonna allow to use everything over here. There we go, and there we go. Now we can see that the camera is indeed running. We can also mirror the screen. We can use the flashlight. We can tap on these three lines in order to find some additional options. We should be able to switch to the front camera as well in case you wanted to do that, and it's pretty straightforward. And of course, if I go to my desktop, as you can see here, I have the preview of the iPhone as well. There we go, here are my fingers. So as you can see, it's really, really simple. On the left side, we have three lines where we can adjust the video format as well. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.